Hello, hi friends. I am Jitendra from LatCMS Private Limited and I am going to present second video of Unilevel MLM WooCommerce. That is related to the how we register the users in the uh, WordPress with the help of the WooCommerce, Unilevel WooCommerce. Okay, so there are the three types of the processes by which we can register or we can be a member as the Unilevel. So let me start in the previous video. First of all, I will update you. In the previous video, we had configured the everything. So if you want to watch the previous video, you can check on the YouTube by the Let CMS keyword that is here right now. And if you will check here, then you will see this one, whatever this one. Okay.
Hello
So this
friends,
is the
I
link
am
of the
going to
previous
present
videos.
here
I will
the
put
first
in my
video
description as well for the previous videos description
for the
link,
Unilevel
so you can
WooCommerce,
check
that is the
easily
multi-level.
that one. Okay. This is the normally the configurations part that I am repeating again for the reminding. This is the number of the personal referral, that is the two for the eligibility. Mapping with the complete status of the WooCommerce. There is the payout section where the company commission, that is in the 15%, joint commission 10%, referral commission or the affiliate commission 15%, service charges 7%, TDS 5%, cap limit 1 lakh. So now here is the bonuses as well. Whenever you have the two direct referral, then you will get the 100 USD or whatever the currency in your WooCommerce configure. On the basis of that one, this will be considered. And the same for the four. If you have the four direct referrals, 250, or you have the 8 direct, then 350, like this one. So we are going to the commission part as well. So this is called the label commission basically. So we can provide the labels for the label. Basically, it's a label. It means that the naming of the labels, like the bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, crown, or S. So we need to specify the percentage, whatever the percentage will be distributed of the money or the order total amount that I consider in the percentage. After completing with the percentage and with the price, I will create the video with the help of the fixed values that is here. So we will discuss this one on the later, but now first of all, I need to discuss or we will discuss on the registration part, that how we will proceed for the registration part. There are the three types of the registrations part, why which we can register as a member. So let me explain first of all. One is the simple our form, that is the registration form, why which the member will be the direct as a Unilevel MLM member. That will not be paid, but while the user or the member is not paying the money by placing the order of the any product and like this one. If the member has been make the payment and the order has been completed, then the member will be the paid member of multi-level marketing. So this one is the one first type of the commission registration. Another type of the registrations we consider in this one by the checkout. To be register as a Unilevel MLM member by the checkout of the WooCommerce, we need to have or we need to check some settings in the account and privacy of the WooCommerce, that is the guest checkout. In the case of the guest checkout, our registration is means that Unilevel MLM member could not be registered in that one. So you need to have this one as a disable. First requirement of this one. And second requirement is this one. They allow customers to log into the existing account. No, this is not the required. Allow customer to create account during the checkout. This is the much important. And this is the also the most important, allow customer to place order without an account. This should be off here. Okay. So this is the main requirement to proceed by the registration with the help of the checkout whenever the user is placing the order. Another option is that, as we have discussed or I have discussed previously in the previous video, by our page, suppose the normal customer is registered previously in the system or in the WordPress. After that, if the user wants to be a member of the Unilabel, then he can join by our join Unilabel page that we have created there, and in the menus that will be listed. So let me start first of all from our registration form, that how the registration form will be proceed by that one. So just a minute, give me a moment. I am just checking the users, how many users is there. Okay. So this is the company user only on this. The username is the company here. I put that one. So as I updated to you regarding the first type of the registration, this is our the registration page. By this registration page, the user can register as a Unilabel MLM member. So like this one, I am considering the user one. So as the user one is this one, congratulations, this is the username is available. So I am just putting the test emails there. User one, sorry, I am putting the something wrong. So this is the address. One password I am having the 123456. Same thing with this one. Company here. I am putting the company as the sponsor and the company as the parent as well. So here suppose I am putting the India here, like the 98. Suppose I am just putting the random number here. As I click on the registration part, so this has been going to the registration. Yeah, this has been registered and this has been created as a directly Unilabel MLM member. So if you will check here directly, the Unilabel user has been created here as a username one, user one. Okay. So and if you will check this, this is the unpaid member, and the parent is the company. Okay. So I will also show here like this one. Whenever you will go to the user reports here, you will check the user one and the user key, whatever the, and this is the unpaid till now. If we will go in this one, then all detail of the user one will be display here. Okay. So I am going to the user reports now. Now I am considering like this one. As we have updated that while the user will not make the payment till that time, the user could not be the paid member. So as I am going here and I am placing the order here, I have enabled the cash on delivery already there. City address is required, billing pin code required. Okay, so I am putting here the information. I am placing the order. So the order is being the placed. Just a minute. Give me a moment. Yeah, order has been placed and we have got the successful order screen of the WordPress. That is that by default WordPress or WooCommerce screen. So still this is the unpaid because the order is not completed. Why? As the order will be completed, suppose I am clicking on this one and I am doing the order complete as the things, as the order will be the complete, same times the user also will be the paid member here. If you will check here, user reports, you will see here, this has been the paid. If we will go here, distribute commissions, then there will not be display any commission because we have configured in this one already regarding the eligibility, while the eligibility, the two direct referrals, okay. And in the general settings, we have already updated the number of the 4 referrals needed. It means that 1 by 4 unilevel will be considered here, okay. So now I am coming to the another part or another registration for the just a minute. I need to go to the my account. So if I will go here, this is the logout and we can log out from here. As I am coming here, I am again putting the user to something user to test.com. This is here I am putting 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the here I am putting the company, and same thing I am putting the company here. Here I am putting the India, and whatever the phone number I am putting here. As I click the registration part, this is going to be the register as a Unilevel MLM member. So just a second. Yeah, this has been registered. Now I am going to the place or purchase the products. So that is going to the view cart, and I am going here. And if you will check S7, I am just putting something information that is much important to place the order. Without this one, the order could not be placed in the WooCommerce. This is the default installation. Everything is the default here. So I am showing you the video on the default things. Whatever the themes you will use, according to that, this will be converted automatically. So now I am going to the part of the Unilevel MLM WooCommerce or the orders, where this will be the complete. Oh, just a minute. If I will proceed from here as well, the complete it or the update it. I will go here, user reports, automatically this will be paid. I am coming again on the distribute commission. So as I have updated already that the 2 direct referrals should be for the 1 member to get the commission. Or this is the eligibility criteria there are. So the company user is getting the 9,300 USD or the euro. So in that case, in the first by the user 1, 5,000 order is coming. So level commissions we will consider here. This will be the cost of that one, 2250 of the 5,000. So I will show you the calculations as well of this one. Okay, so here like this one, child or user 1, the amount referral. So if we are going here like in the configuration part of the Unilevel MLM WooCommerce, here we will check the payout settings, that is the company commission 15%, joint commissions 10%, and the referral commission or the affiliate commission 15%. Service charge is this one, TDS this one, cap limit this one. So if we will go here as well, This is the bronze, this is the 25, and like this one, commission. And here as well, if you will have the 4 direct referrals, then definitely the 4 like 100 euro you will get for the 2, for the 4 250. So like this one. So according to this, let we calculate the things by the with the help of the calculator. So suppose the order, first user order amount is this one, the 9,000. So let we consider 9,000. Which one commission is the level commission? If for the level commission that 9,000, the just a minute, 25% of this one. Okay. So if we will consider the 25%, this one, if we will 2250 into 4, this is the 9,000. Because this user purchases the 9,000 product, then only on by the user one, company will get the commission as a level commission 2250. Same things for the user 2, like that by the user 2, the company is getting the 3500 commission. It means that company is getting 3500 amount with the help of the user 1 and user 2, that is on the user level 1. Referral commission, suppose referral commission we consider like that, the suppose I am the member and I have the 2 childs, that childs referred to me by with the help of my id referral link, or with the help of the my username as the sponsor name in the registration form. So with the help of that one, if we will consider the referral commission here, like the 15%. So if we will consider the 9,000 15%, what will be the costing of that one? 9,000 into 0.15. So this is the 1350. Same thing with the user 2. So now the 2 types of the commissions company is getting. Another type of the commission here is the bonus. The 2 referrals, it's mean that 100 euro the company will get. So total amount is the 9,300 euro. Okay, so now I am going to the registration process by the checkout. I am logging out from here. So I am just directly shopping here, 9,000, 5,000. So I am going here, and if I am putting here information, anything, email ID I am having here the 3@test.com. So here, if you will check, create an account with the Unilevel WooCommerce. So there is the given the sponsor name or the parent name. So if we are going to put this one user under the company, then definitely we need to put the company as a sponsor name here. So this will be the validate, and the company in the parent, this will be the also validate. So as we will click on this one, first name, last name, and why it is showing me the zip code. So this has been placed the order. Here order has been placed successfully. So now we are looking for the other part, like here if we check, the order has been placed here, and this order has been placed by the another member. Sorry, this is the by the user one. How that is possible? Okay. Oh, no issue. Basically, this has been placed the order. My account, that is the WooCommerce part. Okay, so let me check here. Oh, user one. This is the another user dot one. Okay, and this is the customer still. So as this has been order placed by this one, so as we will do this one, the order is a complete. So if we are doing from here, suppose the order is completed. This is just being the processing the things. Yeah. So as this will be the user reports, if you will go to the user reports, this is the user one, that is the third user, and this has been paid also. So if we will go here in the users table, and here you will check that this is the bronze label to this one, and there is no label still, and the parent is the company, and the paid. Everything is the paid right now. So I am going to the create another one. Okay. So if I will check here, no, I will click, I will register by this one directly. I will put user 4. That's something I am putting here. I am putting everything, that is the dummy data. So I am putting here the user4 at the test.com. I am creating from this one the user, that is the company. I am putting the sponsor name as the company, and I am putting here the parent name as the company as well. So I will show you that why I am putting the company name here only one. After that, in the further videos, I will put you the other users by which you will find out the things. So I am just, this is taking some time only, a little bit to place the order. After that, we will check the calculations, that how the calculations is going on. As per our calculations or the configurations part, the calculations is working fine or not. So as we are going here, here is the no new user will be show, like that. Sorry, the user 4 has been created because by the registration, by the checkout, this is allowed that the user will be created automatically. So here the user is creating, and we are going to the order place, and there if we are clicking on this one and we are completing the order this one, then definitely that member will be also the paid member and will be the Unilevel MLM WooCommerce member. Yeah. This has been completed. Now I am going to the settings of the WooCommerce and user reports. This has been paid. There is no commission distribution yet. So if we will go here, commission distribution, you will check here the whatever the commissions is adding there. So there is the three types of the commissions showing here, and the join commission is not showing because the first user join uh, does not get any commission in the case of the joining, because the first user directly register in the system and first users do not need any order placed by which the user will be the paid member. So that is not the required part or necessary part for that user or the company. It's mean that the root user of the multi-level marketing. So as we are going here, commission distribution, and I am putting this one link by which we can check that the how many. So user 1 9,000 order, user 2 14,000 order, and user 3 14,000 user 40,000 euro, and the user 4 also the 14,000 euro. Place the order. So like this one, if we will consider like the 2 to 1, 25% of the first level. So the whatever here in 9,000, 25% equal to 2250 will be. As the same things with the 14, the 3,500 will be the 25% of the 14,000. Like same things, if we will consider for the referral commission. Referral commission, it means that by user 1, the company is getting the commission, that is the 1350, and this is the 15% of the order placed amount. So order placed amount equal to uh, 9,000. So 9,000 15% will be the 1350. Same thing for the user 2. By the user 2, the company will get the 2100 euros. And this is the bonuses. That is the regular bonuses we can consider. So two direct referrals. It means that the company have the two direct referrals, then definitely he will get the 100 euros. If the company will have the four direct referrals, then it will have the 250 euros. So like this one, if we will calculate everything, so 20750 will be the total commission, total amount for the company, because under the company only on the four members is still and they have paid. So the level commission will be the 12,750, and same thing for the referral commission, that will be the 7650, and bonuses commission, that will be the 350. So total overall total will be the 20750. So let me distribute this one. So after clicking on this button, distribute commission, this will be distributed, and this will be the pop-up like that, the commission successfully distributed. If we will go again, then definitely there will not be the any record. Now I am going to the payout run. So in the case of the payout, this is the referral commission, this is the label commission, this is the regular bonus commission, and this is the company commissions that was not displaying the previously. So by the every member 7650 commissions is displaying here, and if we will consider here in the configuration part of the Unilevel MLM WooCommerce, this one company commission equal to 15%. So 15% like this one, if we will consider this one 7650 and 7650, because the both have the 15%. So whenever the user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4 place the order, then the commissions 15% commissions of the amount will be goes to the company commission. This is the uh, basically the plan requirement. Okay, service charges 1988 1988, and the TDS 1420, because this is the 7% of the whatever the total amount is placed, and this is the 1420. This is the TDS, so net amount will be the 249920. So whatever the amount, if we will consider here, or if we will calculate here like this one, if we are considering the calculator, just a minute, I am just putting the everything. So here 7650 plus 12750 plus 350 plus 7650. So that will be the 28400. If the 28400 total amount is earned by the company member, but the service charges and the TDS will be deducted from this one amount. So like this one, minus 1988 minus 1420. If we will deducted this one, then definitely whatever the amount is displaying on the screen, that is the net amount, that will be displayed in the calculator as well, the 249920992 only. Okay, so I am running this one payout as well here. This will take some time only on to, yeah, this has been come like the payout run successfully. So if we will see here payouts and reports, then the one payout report has been come here, company commission this one, referral commission this one, joint commission this one, like this one, everything is given here, and the net amount is also displaying here. If we are going to the admin section of this one, then definitely here everything is described, and the everything is given in the detail, that what is the possibility of the things, like that the company commission is, the company is getting the commission by the user 1, user 2, user 1, user 4, and 1350 amount, 2100 amount, and like this one, whatever the amount we will consider. And here is the order ID as well of that one. Okay, so joint commission, no joint commission for the payout one, referral commission. These are the referral commissions as we have discussed previously, but this is the description here, or in the tabular format, the everything like the referral commission based or the payout detail section. Label commission, same things by this one. Now, if we are going to the regular bonus, so company is getting the 2 times of the regular bonuses, 100 and 250. So this is the total 350. So this is the detailed about the section. Now I am coming on the genealogy part. This is the genealogy. So if you will check the under the company, the user 1, user 2, user 1, or user.1, user.4 is registered. So here, whatever the company is displaying here, this one, this is showing that the company sponsor name here in the this one tree. And if we will click on this one, then definitely here the everything, level 1, no parent, and the no sponsor, and referral equal to 4, total earning of this one user is the 28400, and withdrawal requested is the nothing here. Now I am going to the front end for the company. I am logging as a company in the front end, so I can show you the things, that how the things is showing in the front end section. So just a minute, I am just logging out by this user and logging as a company. Here I consider this one. So if I will go here, the dashboard, in the dashboard, affiliate commission, affiliate link is given here. Personal detail, the first name, last name, user key, parent key, label, whatever the label, address, ETCs are given here. So total earning showing here 28400. Total charges, this one, net income is showing here, the 249920. So this is the detail, the joint commission, referral commission, this one, these are the summary basically for that one. Now I am going to the genealogy part first of all. So in the front end as well, the genealogy part is showing like this one. Okay, so we will go here. We will check here everything, whatever the we can see. But if we will click on this one, that everything is given here. Okay. So now I am going to the payout section. So everything the payout, like the joint commission, referral commission, level commission, regular bonuses, TDS, services charges, everything. If you will check the calculations, that will be the fine, the or the no total amount will be the 249920. Now I am clicking on this one, payout list. Yeah, so here is the given detailed in the payout list as well. Everything is given there. My label commissions, these one, and the referral commission is this one. My joint commission is not there. So regular bonuses also display here. Okay. So these are the things. Now I am going to the downline list. So whatever the downlines of mine, like the company under the company, whatever the users is in the downline, that is displaying here. Bank detail is given here. Withdrawal money is here. So join and registration withdrawal money. So as the withdrawal money, if someone is going to the withdrawal, then here will not be nothing. If we are coming like that, then suppose whatever the amount is, if I will click here, mm, here is the message, sorry, please confirm your bank detail and ETCs. It may be that due to region of the some errors, it is not displaying here. I don't know what the reason, but I will check this one. So as the click the withdrawal process, that should display that you need to fill the first of all the bank detail, then you can proceed for the withdrawal process. So if I will put the my bank detail, then definitely in my bank account the amount will be requested. So just a minute. Yeah, this has been come, but I think there is the some issue of the CSS, so I will check these things. Yeah, as I am clicking here, if I will go to the admin part now here, then the withdrawal request is not here as well. So if I will go to the appearance and the menus, I will check the bank detail account, like the bank detail. Okay. So here the bank detail. So I am going to the bank detail and I am putting the informations like that the Jitendra. I am putting the Zami. These I have given the information or the fill the information. After that I am going to this and I am putting the bank detail. I have given the bank detail. So if I will go here or request for the money, then definitely I can be do. I can do this one like this. Withdraw request. So the requested money has been detected. This is the 24009 requested money 1000 and this one and the 1000 is deducted from here as well. 1000 of 10,000 dot zero. So like this one, if we will check other part, we will uh, consider or control in the other videos. So now I am stopping this one because this is going to the something large video. So that's why reason I want to stop this one, and I will create the another video for you with the detailed description, everything. So whatever the questions you have put or you have here, put please in the comments, and I will try to resolve those, whatever if you will face, and if you have the new features implemented, then definitely we can customize because we have the team here, and we are the much experienced team with the MLM marketing programming. So you need to do any customizations, please contact us. I will give the my contact detail in the comment box or in the description. So you just put open the description of this video and connect with me. Thank you guys, and I will create the other videos for you. Thank you.